In today's rapidly advancing manufacturing industry, precision, speed, and reliability are more important than ever. That's why the CNC machine has become one of the most essential tools in modern workshops and factories. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It is a technology that allows machines to operate using digital instructions instead of manual control. By following programmed commands, a CNC machine can perform cutting, drilling, carving, shaping, and engraving operations with exceptional accuracy. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machines is repeatability. Once a design is programmed, the machine can reproduce the same part multiple times with exactly the same measurements. This reduces human error and ensures consistent quality in every product. CNC machines are widely used across many industries, including woodworking, metal fabrication, aluminum and steel cutting, plastic machining, acrylic work, PCB manufacturing, and custom signage. They are suitable for both small custom workshops and large-scale industrial production. A typical CNC machine is built with several key components. These include a controller unit, which acts as the brain of the system, a high-speed spindle motor that performs the cutting operation, linear guides and ball screws for smooth and accurate movement, stepper or servo motors for precise positioning, and a strong machine frame that provides stability during operation. The CNC process begins with CAD software, where the design is created digitally. This design is then transferred to CAM software, which converts it into G-code. G-code is the language that tells the CNC machine where to move, how deep to cut, and at what speed to operate.